Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm going to share with you 3 quick easy DIYs in neutral colors, modern farmhouse look, and I'm going to share some other items I made in the past for the fall decor and put together a DIY tier tray for the fall look. So this video is part of the Fall Tier Tray DIY and Decor Challenge that is being hosted by Sonia from DIyfrom and Lisa Birmingham. I have known them, enjoyed their work and their friendship for quite some time. So do visit their channels. I'll put links to both the channels and also to the playlist so that you can enjoy the creations. If you're new here, a big hello. Look around. My channel is all about doing lots and lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end tubes, everything related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the little bell icon beside it and choose all notifications by choosing the ringing bell icon. For this quick DIY, I'm taking one of the mini canvases and I'm going to cover it with this beautiful paper because I could not find my own choice of paper, so I had this paper printed out in a normal A4 size paper, and you can get any kind of checks and stripes that you want on internet. They are free to use. I just used them and I got it printed. So I'm going to use this paper and cover my mini canvas with this and then be back. Here is this. I just love this. I'm so partial towards checks. This is so pretty. Now I have this pumpkins cut out with me and I love the colors and the print. I'm just going to glue it right in the center here and it looks so pretty. But let's put some words here. So I'm taking simply a cardstock paper and write the word pumpkin patch here. Nothing fancy, just writing the word. And just cut it out. So it's like a tag now, and I'm going to glue it here. So this will become one of the signs. Tags are always great for decor, and I'm going to make a tag for the second DIY. Now this was a high-end tube or a look for less, a wafer inspired tag I did in a video say about 4 months back. I'm going to use the back side of this tag, which is blank right now. So first I'm taking this jute loop out of it. I'll use it, I'll keep it aside, and on the back side I'm going to apply this paper. Again, I had this printed out on an A4 size paper and I'm going to glue it at the back side of this. I don't want to spoil this. This is nice and can be used for decor still. So I'm going to paste this and then decorate it. Next, I'm making a pumpkin on a cardstock paper. And cut this out. So I've got a pretty pumpkin in very neutral colors. So I'm going to add it here. Put this tag back. So it's already made into a loop. I'm just getting the knotted end, I'm keeping it on the top and just like this. It's simple to add this tag. Now it still looks incomplete, so I'll add some little bow here. So here I have this little cute little bow. It's in black and white gingham, and I'm going to glue it right here, just near the knot or the hole. And here is my little tag ready. And I'm just going to shade it lightly with black just underneath this to give it a 3D effect, a little shade or a shadow formed because of the pumpkin staying here. I went over the pumpkin again with the black pen and just giving more dimensions. I'm just making one leaf here with black itself because the background print is very busy, so it's little difficult to notice the pumpkin. So therefore I'm adding some black touches here and there. So now it's more prominent. So here is my tag ready. Now I have this pale green colored cardstock paper and I'm going to make a little banner out of it. So I want to spell out the word fall, so I'm just need 4 little pieces. So here I'm cutting out. So I got a square which if I cut in the center will give me 2 rectangular pieces, and which again if I cut in the center will give me 4 equal pieces. So I'm going to fold it to get the crease and then cut it so that I have all equal pieces. Now that I have 4 equal pieces, I want to make the swallowtails. So I'm going to snip it off right from the bottom, slightly above and towards the center. So let's find the center first. So I'm just taking the topmost, slightly crease it towards the bottom only. So now I have a crease which will tell me the center, and I'll go up, stack them all together and cut it till the center crease, and similarly on the other side so that I get the perfect swallowtails. Now I'll write the word fall on this. These are simple. I'm just going to give it little enameled look. So I'm just making these outlines with the black just lightly, just on the edges. Don't have to be continuous. This will enhance the shape further and make it more prominent. I'm also going to draw 2 dots here. These will be the points through which the string will go. I'm using a thick needle that is used for jute strings or jute bags, and I'm poking holes through this. So just be careful not to hurt your fingers, and it easily makes holes through the paper. So I'm just making holes at this point, and these holes are just big enough to let the jute string go through them. And I've seen this technique on YouTube. People put a tape on the tip of the jute or any such thick string, and then it's easy to add tags or beads through these. So I've made this mistake before also, so I'll be careful this time. I have placed my tags here, so I'll start from the end because I'm a right-handed person. I'm starting from right and gradually going this way, or you can start like this and go. Make sure you don't do this the wrong way, spell it the wrong way. So I like that little piece of jute looking through this, so I'm taking it out and then into the back side again like this. So I'm keeping enough jute string on the other end also, so that in case I need to tie it somewhere, I have that much piece left. I had a little brighter idea. I thought I'll give it a little more dimension, so I got some more crayons, a little this moss green color, and I'm just adding some more shade here with the 2 colors here, lighter blue and little moss green. I think it will look really nice with these two shades. So that when I add it together with other decor pieces, they also have their character of their own and stand out well in the crowd. Don't you agree this looks better? Here are the items I have laid out that I'm going to use on my tiered tray. So this is the neutral side and this is getting warmer and more fall rich colors. Starting with my florals, then my luminaries. I have a DIY video on this. I'll put it in my description box. Some pumpkins. This is again out of a dry fruit. This is a fabric pumpkin I made and added some tendrils using some jute rope. This is today's DIY tag here in neutral colors. Another DIY from today, the pumpkin patch sign. It's beautiful. These are two Dollar Tree DIYs from my previous video, and this is today's tiny little banner and a garland and some raffia. Here is my DIY Trash to Treasure 2-tier tray in modern, rustic, neutral look. I really like it and I'm ready to decorate this tray for today for fall. I'll put link for this video in the description box of this video if you want to watch how I created it. Let's decorate. Here is my fall tier tray decor. I really like the light greens, soft greens and the contrast of this bright yellows and oranges. Here is my DIY sunflower and my thankful little rolling pin in the bottom and a little plant on the side. My tiny little banner, I really like it, it's so cute. This pumpkin tag is looking pretty and next to it I have my pumpkin and behind in this luminary I added some flowers, light in this one, another sign on this end and another at the back. On the top I have just added the garlands, some hay and the pumpkin patch sign with some florals and another pumpkin. I really like this curved natural look of this. I really like this. I think this is pretty and it's going to stay in my decor for this fall. Do let me know what you think about my today's tier tray decor. I think this looks beautiful. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like this video. If you like today's DIYs, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video and do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Thank you everybody for your time and support and I'll see you very soon in my next DIY, in my next video. Until then, stay happy, be creative, be positive.